Hey guys, it's me, Emma. I want to make a quick shout out to my Uncle Chris. I heard that you're in the hospital, and I want to say that we all have our rights. We're not going to go away with what's going on with ourselves. You, Mr. Uncle Chris, you're my man. And I just want to say thank you for going to the hospital and seeing what's going on with yourself. And I just want to say a quick shout out to you. I love you, Uncle Chris. And you know what? It's me, Emma Piganin, your cousin, whatever. And I just want to say, all of us down here in Ohio, like Amy, me, and my brother, we all say we miss you, hope you feel better. My dad also says he misses you and hopes you feel better too. And I just want to say, Uncle Chris, you rock, my man, and I just want to say thank you. You've been touching me so much, and I'm going to get all the donations, all the money for you, all the love and support from you. You as a fan, you need to watch out for Uncle Chris. I want to say thank you to Uncle Chris. You're my uncle. And you know what? I love you, Uncle Chris. I love you, my man.